Congratulations, Ireland. I heard United Kingdom land is yours now. And America is with you now as well. What else you need in your life? Your life is totally settled now.
I want you, Austria. Because of UK alone I am unable to enjoy the power. If you join me, our economy will be better as well.
I was actually thinking to join strong country like America or Soviet Union. This world is now full of powerful nations and empires. I don't think it will be a good idea to join a small and weak country like you.
But we are friends, Austria. At least join for our friendship.
This world is not revolving around friendship, Ireland. So yeah, come out of your fantasy world and be practical. Take my suggestion and join a strong country as well.
Maybe you are right.
Hey, don't invade my land.
I want your land at any cost.
But we are friends. At least don't invade my land for the sake of our friendship.
This planet is not revolving around friendship, Austria. So come out of your fantasy world and be practical.
Hi, Ireland.
Bye, Czechia. Time to conquer other independent nations as well. Hi, guys. Come out. I want to discuss something.
Don't disturb us, we are busy.
Why people don't like my humble side. They always do such things, which makes me angry. If they like my devil side, then let's show them the real devil. Finally, all independent European nations are in my control.
Shout out to